Welcome everyone. Good day. I'm so excited to bring to you this new mining app. New mining app. Like the mining app is just like Pi, and I'm suspecting that this mining app will actually do like Pi. Now, the sweet part is that if you are watching this video now, you are early to join. Why? Because we just started it and our mining rate is still at 4 per hour, which means that we are yet to reach 1k people. That's 1000 people for the halving to start. Now, this is an opportunity for you to gather as much as possible before we reach we'll go down to 2 per hour and 1 per hour. You know, the worst part is when we have reached 1 per hour. That's even the problem. Before you be able to get up to 100, it will be very, very hard. But now you're having per hour, you're having 4, which means that let's do the calculation together, which means in a day, which is 24 hours, times 4, you are having 96. That is for one day. And 96, let's say what 96 within 1 month, which is 4 weeks, we are having 300 already. You see, the total coin that you're going to be having is even 300. It's not even much. So if you are seeing this video now, do well to jump into this. Now I want to show us something quickly. You discover that my own is mining at 6.6 sprout per hour. Now this 6.6 sprout per hour will give me 144 per day, and then times 4 will give me 500. Now this is a secret which I want to show us, and then I want to take us through their white paper and everything about this. Just follow me gradually and learn. Because you need to boost your mining. You need to boost it. I will show you how to do all those things. Now if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so this very moment. Do so. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. And then I will be dropping the link via the comment section and of this video, and also in the description section of the video, so that you will be able to use the link, click it, and then use my referral code so that you will boost your mining. Also, you know, when you put the referral code, you boost your mining, and when you invite people, you also boost your mining. Now quickly, if you have done that, I appreciate you for doing that. And also to our new users, appreciate you for coming. And then our returning users, our normal customers, thank you for coming to check up on this video. Now quickly, let me take you through the first thing that I have in mind. Now the first thing is this particular boost. Now okay, before then, this is where you click to mine. That is where you click to mine. Why this boost now help to increase your mining rate here. Now look at what will happen here. I left this purposely for this video. Click on boosts. Now the boost is what is 5/5. Now check my rate. Now my mining rate is now what? It's now 7. It's now 7. You see, it has now increased. Now look at another thing here. Another thing is our cycle. Click here. You see mining security cycle. You see, this is just like Pi. Mining security cycle. Now this says that you currently don't have any team members in your cycle. Add up to 5 trusted team members to your cycle to boost your mining rate by 25%. Now see what will happen. I'm mining right now at 5. at 7. Look at it, mining at 7 per hour. Now come to any team. I'm going to add these people, they're under me. I want to add them, 5 of them. 1 2 3 4 5. Now 1 I've added, 2 I've added, 3 I've added, 4 I've added, and 5 I've added. Now I'm boosting security cycle will boost for me for 25 what percent. 25 what percent. Now every of what I'll be getting now, this is 7. Now I'll be having extra of 25% of the mining. 25% of the mining. Now that is for that which I want to show us. Now quickly, you can write contest. Writing contest, that's writing contest. That means you post on social media, Instagram and Twitter or X, and then they will give you 500 sprout. Now you have to also tag them before. You see, if you make a post on Instagram or Twitter, tag us. So it is that tagging that will make them to know that you have done that. And then we have aid while you can. Now this talk about the halving. Right now, the pioneer phase, we are aiming at 4 sprout, but this won't last long. The first halving event is on the horizon, and the base rate will soon drop to 2 sprout per hour. Now invite your friend, grow your cycle, and make full advantage while you can still. Now you see, that is just how it is. Now we have both the Android version and iOS version of this application. Now that's what I'm trying to advise us on. Now look at this announcement quickly before we move down to the white paper. Now this is just what they said, that Sprout was created with a simple mission to open the doors of digital currency to everyone, everywhere. Mining should not require expensive hardware, technical knowledge, or massive amount of energy, and with Sprout it does not. Now from day one, our focus has been on building a community driven network that grows stronger together. Every tap, every connection, and every new member helps shape the future of Sprout. So this is a community-based project. Guys, this is a community-based. I know any community-based project actually move a long way. Now let's come to, okay, this is where you see those that you refer, and then you see your referral link at the top here. Your referral code is here, referral link here. I don't have any inactive person. If I have none, it will show active person is 5, and total I have is 5. Now leadership board. Now people have gone ahead because they have invited, and then they have gone ahead already. I just started today. You can imagine, I just started today. There's somebody even having 400 and is on level what? On level 50. Very soon I'm coming to pass this person. Yeah, so we can actually, you see, those that my agenda is for me to be at the top here, at the top, to be at the top. I just started now, and I know that I'm going to push it to the top now. So now go to your settings. You can change your email notification settings. You can put it on or off. The notification setting, you can put it on or off. I don't want notification. Sound, okay, I don't want sound and all those things. Now we have the terms service, we have the policy, Twitter, Instagram, and all those. Now also at the down you see log out, and we have manage your what, your account, and manage our account is for you to delete it. Now what I want to take us to is the white paper. Now click on the white paper now, and then let's see what is there, which there is something I want to show us. There. Our network is slow. Yes, quickly, our mission. Now look at the mission of this Sprout. At Sprout Data, we believe digital currency and should be simple and within reach of everyone. Our mission is to provide a platform where users can participate in the digital whatever. That is the mission. Now, this community is it is based on community. This project is community based, like I told us. Hear what they say. What makes Proud Network unique? We focus on quality over quantity by growing trusted network through personal invitations. This approach built a secure ecosystems where every member is connected through a real relationship backed by our proof of contribution. That's POC, consensus what mechanisms. Now the mining is for 24 hours. Now team-based earning, and then this is the first mobile design. Now let me click on the white paper. That's a PDF. I need to open. Now there are some things that I will not want to waste our time, like the introduction. Now look at the vision. I will not want to waste my time there on the vision, the mission, community building, infrastructure development, decentralization, etc., etc. Now that is not what. Now daily proof of contribution is there. Referral mechanisms is there. Proof of trust layer is there. Now this is not what yes, this is one of the things I want to show us now. Now we see we are on 4. Our mine is 4 per hour. It means that we are on, we have not reached 1,000 users. Once we reach 1,000 users, it will go down to 2, and once we reach we reach 10,000 user from 2, now it will go down to 1, and then when we reach 100,000 user, it will go down to 0 point. And that is how when we reach 1 million user, 10 million users, etc., etc., now it keeps what going down. Now that is for that. Now this is security cycle, which I have talked about it. Okay, look at it. Look at it. Reach 500, we have 0.5. 1 billion, we have 0.25. 10 million, we have 0.125, and then 100 million, we have 0.06. Now security cycle that I talk about is here. You see the calculation, and then the boosting the ecosystem, which is one of the important thing. We can just go through, and then we're done for this video. Now, while technology and token mechanics form the skeleton of the Sprout network, the community is its heart and soul. Are we seeing it? Now, Sprout is at its core a people-powered movement. It is a network built not by a central authority but by the consistency voluntary contribution of everyday individuals. Every user, from the earlier pioneers to the newest participant, played a meaningful role in shaping Sprout. Now this is just telling us that this ecosystem is based on user base, based on user. So guys, I encourage us, dive into this mining with the whole of your heart. If you can do 2 accounts like me, go ahead, open 2 account. It's not bad. Open 2 account. If you can go with 2 account, open 2 account. If you can go with 1 account, open 1 account. But I will be leaving the referral link on this comment section and also on the description section for you to use to boost and also increase your mining. Don't forget to add me in your security cycle, please. Don't forget to add me in your security cycle so that we can boost our mining together. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.